We've had a crisis for a while. We know that the rains for this period or season has not been with us. And the forecast actually is that it will get worse. More than 3 million people will be affected. We know there are about 23 counties affected, in particular about 7, which are impacted very significantly. So we appreciate the government efforts in terms of really supporting those who are affected, hunger-stricken Kenyans. This morning, we are very happy to be part of what we are calling Pamoja Tuungane campaign, aimed at rallying Kenyans to come together to support those suffering from the effects of the prolonged drought. We'll be flagging off foodstuffs worth 100 million shillings to be distributed to the worst counties, starting with Marsabit, which is one of the most impacted. We have what is called bonga points. We have Kenyans who hold a lot of bonga points. We've used this approach in the past, and we want to encourage Kenyans to donate their bonga points or cash through a campaign we are calling Bonga for Good, to enable purchase of food items to be distributed.
When this idea came through, we are very, very excited, because if there is one thing that is giving our president sleepless nights, is the drought situation in this country. Thank you for bringing all the other partners. And we are thinking today just a beginning, but I think that's the direction we will go. Today we flag off emergency relief supplies over the 100 million Kenya shillings to 20,000 households who are affected by the current drought, and especially in Marsabit County. As you are aware, 3 failed rainy seasons have created food insecurity in 23 ASAL regions of the country. Notably, the short range assessment report released in February estimates about 3 million Kenyans people will require food assistance as a result of of the drought. Marsabit County in particular is one of the most hit and accounts for more than about 250,000 people affected. The campaign complements the government's ongoing interventions, which includes the initial allocation of Kenya shilling 2 billion to assist the affected households through relief food distribution, water tracking, and livelihood offtake. Further, from October to date, a total of 11,250 cattle and 3,200 sheep and goats have been bought by Kenya Meat Commission and from the counties most affected by drought. Currently, through multi-agency approach, Marsabit County interventions include ongoing cash transfers, hunger safety nets. Every shilling we receive, every kilogram we receive of food, it goes to the right affected people.